So the next step would obviously be to look at these chords and change them into inversions so we can make those smooth. And remember, the bass line, it doesn't have to be smooth. That can be full of intervals that can jump around. I am going to put this one down an octave though, just because to make that sound a little bit more final. This already works as a smooth progression. This already works, and this works because we copied and pasted that from previous. But unfortunately, we can see there's quite a jump here. So I'm going to bring this E all the way down to there, so that we've got a nice smooth transition between those two notes there. That means that there's a nice smooth transition there because these two notes already exist in that chord. So now that works nicely as well because they all only have to move one way, which means that I just need to bring these notes in line. So if we now listen to the final bridge passage with the nice chords inversions. Okay, so I'm just going to label this as my bridge passage so I know exactly where it starts. And all these things I'm going to be deleting later on because it's just helping me all the time navigate the geography of my music. And I've just copied and pasted that bridge passage there because what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to call that my first subject. Okay, so this is actually where my piece of music starts, and this is where it starts to get interesting because it's at this point here, the bridge passage, where I change key. So I'm just going to press Command and B to get a new bar. I press Enter there so I know that this is where I'm starting. And essentially, I'm just going to create some new bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can just start with a new chord 1 because I'm now in A minor for what will be my second subject. Okay, so hopefully that all makes sense. Remember, get your harmonic progressions, look at your chord 5-1s and 1-5s for your imperfect and perfect cadences. They're the things that ascertain the new key. I'm now able to continue into my second subject in A minor. Hope that helps. Thanks for listening and good luck.